at the end of the day. We had many conversations, many interactions with them, but at the end of the day, we concluded that they did good job, and they adequately addressed new and significant information related to the mineral Virginia earthquake, central eastern United States model, and additional subsurface conditions. The site-specific GMRS adequately represent the seismic hazard at the North Anna site and meet relevant regulatory criteria of 10 CFR Part 52 and 10 CFR Part 100. And the site-specific ground motion meets and does exceed ESBWR DCD in main area. And then.
Okay, thank you. My name is Weijing Wang. I'm a geotechnical engineer. Dr. Grader just gave a very interesting presentation. I will very quickly go over the section 2.5.4 and the section 2.5.5 staff review. And I actually gave the presentation at the front of the subcommittee in 2009. And at that time, there was no outstanding issues regarding the geotechnical engineering. However, during the past 7 years, we had some new information. So basically, 3 items. One, the applicant conduct more site investigation. They drilled 38 additional holes to get more the detailed, the geological, geotechnical information at the North Anna 3 site. And during the site investigation, they conduct standard penetration tests and collect more samples. And then they use that samples to conduct more laboratory tests. They also measure some of the subsurface material, the properties such as the seismic velocity in 2 borings. We call the geophysical logging. And based on those new information, they validate, confirm, and fine-tune the property and parameters of the subsurface material, which are used for foundation design and other analysis, such as we just talked SSI, soil structure interaction analysis. And the second item is, we just said, and our seismology for life already said we got a new GMRS. So then it comes to the question, will the new GMRS affect to the stability analysis of the foundation structures? The answer is, from the foundation stability point of view, the answer is no. Why? Because the new GMRS actually is lower than original GMRS. Some people may ask why. So if we have time, I think Dr. Grader can give you a detailed explanation. Probably need 2 more hours. So I just stop here. So regarding the new GMRS, so we got a lower GMRS, the ground motion. So the applicant could use the lower one to redo the analysis, but they choose not. Because if you use a higher seismic force to do your analysis, and if it's okay, then you end up get an update the seismic loading is lower, which means your analysis, your conclusion is more conservative. So in that regard, we totally agree with that. And the third item is about ITACs. The ITACs are new items in addition to the last subcommittee meeting presentation. Why we have the two new ITACs? Because the new nuclear power plant will build at the site. However, underneath the foundation, the Category 1 structure, we will, whoever build the nuclear power plant will place the concrete backfill underneath the Category 1 structure. So we know the stability of the Category 1 structure is very important. So we want to make sure the concrete backfill, when you place in the field, will have the property you designed for, the strength, the survey velocity, and so forth. So how to do that? Then we said, okay, the applicant proposed ITAC. So during the construction, they will follow the ITAC and to make sure the backfill will meet the design requirements. And similar to the so-called engineer the backfill, which is a granular material backfill, those backfill will not place underneath the foundation, but surrounding the Cat 1 structure. Because the parameter for those backfill will be used in SSI analysis, so we think it's also very important. Because of that, we come out with two ITACs. So then it comes down to our conclusion. Next slide, please. The conclusion is very simple. The applicant properly characterize the subsurface material properties, the profiles underlying the North NR3 site, and with consideration of all the new information. The analysis method and the procedures are adequate and conservative. It meets the requirement of the DCV. By the way, the slope stability analysis also shows there will be no any adverse effect of slope should it fail. Actually, based on analysis, it will not. And I just mentioned we have two very good ITAC to ensure the property of the backfill meets the design requirement. And all the COI items and related license conditions are resolved. And based on our review, we come to the conclusion the application of the subsection 2.5.4 and 2.5.5 meet the regulatory requirements. That under my presentation.
Thank you. So we're now at lunch.
Just remember, it's lunch somewhere.
So I suggest this is a good point to take about a 10-minute break. Okay, so let's, and I think we're changing panels, correct?
Yeah, we're ready good panel 3 on the seismic structures.
Okay, so let's say 5 after 3, we'll get started with panel 3.